What's the meaning of cosmonaut? Cosmonaut. Cosmonaut.
Cosmonaut. Cosmonaut. A cosmonaut is a person who travels into space as a member of a spacecraft crew. The term is most commonly associated with the Russian space program, where cosmonauts are trained and sent on missions to orbit Earth and conduct research in space. Cosmonauts are highly skilled astronauts who undergo rigorous training before being selected for a mission. They are responsible for piloting spacecraft, conducting research experiments, and maintaining the equipment necessary for a successful mission. In essence, a cosmonaut is an astronaut who works specifically within the Russian space program.